Hey everybody, welcome to Visual Communication, the media. My name's Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you. I'm so excited to have you all here. Welcome to the end of week 4. That's correct, the end of week 4. We've gotten through a lot of good stuff. We've talked about sensory responses, perceptual in a lot of different weeks, and we're finishing our thing with technical. So I thought I would tag in a little bit more to user experience and how UX has really evolved over time and how people have created these things known as heuristics to really add a little bit more to it. Figured I'd get into it. So let's get started. So heuristics are really just the heuristics tie into the 5 major rules that we talked about: clarity, simplicity, proximity, engagement, navigation. They all work with each other. And heuristics is just another word for a set of guidelines or rules to follow, agreed upon by a group of people. So a lot of designers and developers create these rules or guidelines to follow upon when they're developing their stuff. We have the same thing in a lot of our designer groups and everything, and just kind of rules to focus on with like good user experience and everything. Sharpen Productions did this. And these allow us to create good visuals and good technical responses so that people want to keep reusing things, and that's great. The first 3 from Sharpen Productions, which is a good website company, has to be simple. It's simple, not cluttered, easy to use. And then design is paramount, because the second thing they want is that it's got to have appeal, it's got to pop, and everything works well. Not only that, navigation should be intuitive as well. It should be easy to navigate. Then they also have another 3 rules. Consistency is key, and not only that, colors have to be consistent with strong color palettes and everything to make sense. Not only that, make your website responsive as well. It must be accessible to all devices, and everything works in that way. And then last, for more developable reasons, like it has to be available for multiple browsers, check the site for errors, write your own code. But a big thing that's in there is don't forget the original content. That's really helpful, especially to engage your users in a lot of different elements. Other than that, that's pretty much it. You got some reply posts you got to do on Saturday, and then you got your assignments due on Sunday. That's all I got, though. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. Take it easy. Hope you have a great weekend. Bye-bye.